How to use Afterpay on Stockx. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can use Afterpay on Stockx. Stockx is a site that allows payments from Afterpay and PayPal and other bank accounts. And then if you're wondering how you can use your Afterpay card on Stockx, just watch this video to the end. And the first thing to do is to open your web browser and then log in into your Stockx account. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your own page automatically where you can see um this categories that can filter your search. You see products, you see it different things, and the next thing for you to do is to move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see the profile icon, and then you go ahead and click on it. Once you click on this, you will take it to the profiles page where you would see your personal information such as your name, your shoe size, username, email address, etc. And then by the left side of the screen, you will see an option. Scroll down until you see the wallet and payment option. Once you click on it, you'll be redirected to the payments page as well, where you see buying info, sellers info, and payout info. Now, our focus is majorly is on the payout info, but you cannot edit your payout info if you have not edited your sellers info. Alright, so if you're like me that have not added my seller's info, just click on edit, and then once you click on edit, you'll be redirected to the page where you'll be asked to provide your billing info. And the billing info you have to provide must be associated with the Afterpay card that you would like to add. So you add your first name, last name, address, then click on next, and then you'll be redirected to the page where you'll be asked to add details of the Afterpay card. Ensure you add it and then click on save, and then the seller's info will be added. Then you would go back to your payment info and then click on edit as well, and then a page will be displayed asking you to select either card and debit, credit and debit card, or bank account. So you can just select debit and credit card, then input your Afterpay card details and save it as a payout method. Once it has been saved as a payout method, whenever you want to purchase a product, you'll be asked to select the payout method whereby you want to use to pay for the product that you like to purchase. Then select Afterpay, and once you selected Afterpay, the money will be deducted from your Afterpay account. It is that simple. Okay, so this is how you can use Afterpay on Stockx. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.